Retired Commodore Hambali Tukur, immediate past national president of FEGOCOSOSA. I think it's a privilege that one is alive to witness this 60th anniversary of Federal Government College Sokoto. Those of us who went to Federal Government College Sokoto came out with a sense of belonging, if I may say so. We came out with a sense of nationalism, patriotism. Federal Government College Sokoto shaped us to be our brothers' keepers, irrespective of ethnicity or religious bias. So those who went to Federal Government College Sokoto and perhaps unity schools in general come out baked as true Nigerians. Having come so far, up to the 60th year of establishing Sokoto, I'm happy that the school has survived this much. The school has come so far. While we are happy that the school has come so far, degraded, not just appreciated, degraded completely. Therefore, one is happy to see that at this 60th anniversary, there is concerted effort to improve on the infrastructure.